Welcome to Through the Covers episode 2, part 3, featuring Shayanto Shengupto and Atharva Agash.
CSK have nurtured several young talents who have eventually represented India, the epitome of greatness by all means.
We are extremely glad at that amazing response to our second video. So we are back with part 3. Happy watching!
Definitely, and we have to also think about the thing that when Chennai Super Kings let go Ravichandran Ashwin, they bought Harbhajan Singh in the next auction. It proved to be really vital. There was Karan Sharma who took wickets in important matches. And there has been that temperament around the team that Dhoni can succeed with n number of players. Like as you said at the start of the video, the average age of players in the CSK team was about 30.
Yeah, exactly.
ये क्या बूढ़े लोग खेलेंगे इस टीम में and they went on to win the title
Exactly.
and the trust honestly has been so this players.
People don't understand that बुढ़ा लोग का भाई experience है. They have a truckload of experience under their belt. मतलब इतना सालों से they've been playing. Obviously fitness issues will be there, but I think when Dhoni is at the helm of things, he will make sure that fitness is of utmost importance. Just like right now, ये जो trend है ना, I feel that fitness, if you consider fitness, then Dhoni has set the path of excellence for fitness, and Virat Kohli, he has set the path for achieving that excellence. So there's a difference. इसने lay down किया है वो seeds, and this guy is achieving that excellence. Both of them fitness को बहुत ही important देता है, मेरे को लगता है honestly.
And talking about the senior people, Imran Tahir is almost 40, Shane Watson is almost 40. They both performed brilliantly when the team needed them. And the trust Dhoni has in these players, it's absolutely brilliant. Like if we talk about the 2018 season, Shane Watson had scored a century before, but his consistency was not at all there in the season. But he still trusted him in the final. In the first 11 balls, Shane Watson he had just scored 1 run. And after that, in around 60 balls, he scored 170 not out. So the trust, if you heard the post-match interview of Shane Watson, he clearly told that the trust MSD has in its players is the reason behind the team's success. Out of 165 matches played, they have 100 matches.
Absolutely. I remember that match and when Shane Watson was bleeding as well. His knee was hurt and there was blood all over his pants.
Yes.
Then still he continued to play because he had to show CSK, he had to repose their faith कि तुम लोग मेरे पे invest किए हो, you guys have believed in myself, and now it's my turn to actually prove it to yourself that yes, that support has not gone into wrong hands. So brilliant, man. I feel Dhoni is a wonderful captain. He's once in a generation captain. वैसा अभी I'm really happy that I've been born in the generation of MS Dhoni. Like the earth is so many billion years old, and still we've been born during the time when MS Dhoni has been born. Brilliant, man. I love his captaincy.
Yes, definitely. Again, one more thing we cannot leave about the discussion is the theme song itself and the home support that Chennai gets. Like, if you ask Dwayne Bravo, he'll definitely say that Chennai is my second home. Because those fans give the players that respect, that love that they deserve. And it is actually overwhelming. Dwayne Bravo has also shot some videos, some songs in Chennai. He has probably learned some part of the language. And the connect that the players and the fans have with the city and the team, it is absolutely brilliant.
Absolutely, मतलब कितना प्लेयर बोला है कि चेन्नई उनका सेकंड होम है, and cricket we know runs in the veins of all Indian fans. And Chennai is one place where people are mad, or people are crazy about cricket. Everyone talks about cricket, right from the person who's sipping a tea in a chai stall to all those big diplomats who want to go for a meeting. So on the verge of that meeting, on the way to that meeting, people are talking about cricket. And ये जो love है, the love which Indian people show towards cricket, I think Chennai is one particular place where everyone is crazy about cricket, and this is one reason why a lot of players, international players, feel at home. If not only CSK players, if you say AB de Villiers, Then there is Monty Rhodes. All these international players are absolutely loved in India. I love these foreign cricketers. I love ABD players. I feel he's one of our own. So that actually. Listen.
So I have two more questions with me, and after answering them, we'll end the video. We answered one of the three which I have, that Raina's form and what is the main success mantra behind Raina. The second question is quite interesting. Like, which team is better if we don't consider the trophies? Will it be Chennai Super Kings or Mumbai Indians?
If you don't consider trophy point of view, then I would say honestly Mumbai Indians, because अगर तू कंसिस्टेंसी देखे, अगर तू डेप्थ देखे साइड का, तो मेरे को लगता है अगर इफ यू सी कंसिस्टेंसी साइड पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू तो डेफिनेटली सीएसके. बट अगर यू सी स्क्वाड, डेप्थ ऑफ द स्क्वाड, मतलब सब टाइप का कॉम्बिनेशन है, कोचिंग स्टाफ, देन मुंबई इंडियंस. मुंबई इंडियंस का क्या नहीं है? उनका एक्सप्लोसिव ओपनर्स है, उनका वर्ल्ड क्लास बॉलर्स है, उनका वर्ल्ड क्लास मिडिल ऑर्डर है, उसका कैप्टन इज अ वर्ल्ड क्लास बैट्समैन, world class captain, coaching staff who is not there. Sachin Tendulkar as mentor, then Shane Bond as bowling coach, batting coach we have Robin Singh. So there are so many people. Mahela Jayawardena, head coach, director of operations Zahir Khan. So I feel that Mumbai Indians is a complete package, and उनका भी support is unstinted at Wankhede. और Wankhede में I can say जैसे home of cricket is called Lords, I think home of cricket in India can be called Wankhede Stadium. मतलब इतना सपोर्ट यार, इतना सपोर्ट. अबे एक सेकंड भी मतलब कोई चुप नहीं रहता है क्राउड में. मतलब even if India is losing, even if the home side is losing, there will be people always commenting on why they become cricket pundits and analysts suddenly go into the stadium कि यार ऐसे खेलना चाहिए था, ऐसे बॉल को मारना चाहिए था और थोड़ा तेज डालना चाहिए. तो यार I feel Mumbai Indians. In my opinion, it's Mumbai.
So I would differ with you in that point, because if we consider consistency, the main point in this question is keeping the trophies aside. The 4 titles with Mumbai and 3 titles with Chennai. If we keep that aside, Chennai has been the most successful team. Like, even if I'm a Mumbai Indians fan, I would say Chennai had that caliber, has that caliber to carry forward the team, as we have discussed n number of times. And I really don't know how many times I'm saying this. Any player who comes into Chennai side performs. Ashish Nehra, like, he's a brilliant bowler, but he didn't have that much results in IPL. Lakshmipati Balaji, Mohit Sharma as a young bowler, Karan Sharma as the spinner, the ageless wonder Imran Tahir, Shane Watson. They've all performed brilliantly when they're in CSK. They had legendary players in the form of Michael Hussey, Matthew Hayden, Muralidharan. They were brilliant back then. Like, making 8 finals is not a joke, and winning 3, like, if we don't consider the success rate in the finals, but overall the tournament, if we consider this, Chennai has been the most consistent team. And with also their head coach has remained the same from the second season. Stephen Fleming played under MSD for the first IPL. Then he decided to retire from all formats of cricket in the second season of IPL. And then he became the coach. And he has been brilliant. If we consider his viewpoint, his instructions, his suggestions to the team, the changes they make during matches, it is brilliant. So for me, if we compare Mumbai Indians and CSK, keeping aside the trophies, for me it will be the Chennai Super Kings who will be the winner.
Absolutely, that really makes sense. That amazing theory which you gave. I think CSK, but a large part of this, don't you feel that goes to MS Dhoni? It'll be interesting to see how CSK actually perform after MS Dhoni goes, whether they'll have the same consistency.
Absolutely.
Exactly. So let's move on to the last question for today.
Yes. One of my friends has asked that for the 2020 auction, Chennai Super Kings bought Sam Curran from Kings 11 Punjab. So is he a good buy for CSK? This is the question.
Sam Curran, if he's a good buy for CSK, I would say if you look at the player's capabilities, then he's a fantastic player. He's played previously for Kings 11 Punjab. I remember that match where he played against Kings, the debut match. He took 5 wickets, and that was phenomenal. He's a batsman as well. Even he's a very good test player. He's a regular of England cricket team. अगर तू प्लेयर वाइज से देखे तो बंदा बहुत अच्छा है, बट अगर तू टीम में देखे तो कॉम्बिनेशन में थोड़ा गलत हो सकता है, बिकॉज वी ऑल सीएसके ऑलरेडी हैज अ वेरी गुड ऑलराउंडर ड्वेन ब्रावो इन देयर रैंक्स। तो मेरे को नहीं लगता सैम करन विल रिप्लेस ड्वेन ब्रावो, बिकॉज ड्वेन ब्रावो इज अ फैंटास्टिक प्लेयर, इज अ लेजेंड ऑफ सीएसके। 2 बार उसका पर्पल कैप है। तो अगर तू देखे, there'll be Shane Watson, there'll be Imran Tahir, there'll be Dwayne Bravo, and who do you think will be the 4th overseas player for CSK?
Sam Billings played an important role in few of the matches, and if we consider Sam Curran, he has taken 10 wickets in 9 matches he has played. He scored 95 runs. He was not out for 4 matches, and I don't think so. He batted for less number of matches than what he played. And he has a strike rate of 172 with the highest score of 55 not out. So he has that capacity to finish matches if he comes down the order, and he has a genuine all-rounder. So replacing if DJ Bravo needs some rest for few matches, that probably they are confident that they will go and win. So Sam Curran can be that player who might turn out to be a match-winning player and turn around the matches as well.
बट भाई मेरे को एक चीज तो बता, अगर एक वर्ल्ड क्लास प्लेयर का बैक ऑफ द माइंड में, सबकॉन्शियस माइंड में ऑलवेज ये रहता है कि आई एम अ रिप्लेसमेंट ऑफ अ प्लेयर, आई कैन नॉट मेक इट टू द लेवल, आई एम अ सेकंड चॉइस, तो इसका परफॉर्मेंस में थोड़ा तो अफेक्ट करेगा कि जब ड्वेन ब्रावो इफ ही इज इंजर्ड और मे बी ही वांट्स टू टेक सम ब्रेक एज यू सेड, अगर वो टाइम पे वो आए, बट उसका बैक ऑफ द माइंड में ऑलवेज रिवॉल्व करेगा, मेरे को एक ही अपॉर्चुनिटी मिला है, आई हैव टू मेक यूज ऑफ दिस, ही इज ऑलवेज थिंकिंग अबाउट हिज position in the team, his place in the team, rather than focusing on the performance, and that can take a toll on his performance actually. That if he's always thinking कि यार I am a replacement of Dwayne Bravo, मैं first choice नहीं हूँ, तो मेरे को लग रहा है थोड़ा अफेक्ट कर सकता है इसका मेंटालिटी।
और वो दोनों तरह से जा सकता है कि एक पॉजिटिव प्रेशर भी रहता है कि एक अपॉर्चुनिटी मिला है मुझे, अगर मैं परफॉर्म करूँ तो शायद ये पॉसिबिलिटी भी हो सकती है कि अगले कई मैचेस में मैं खेल जाऊँ। And he's extremely young. He's less than 25 age, I think, and he has so many years left with him. So if he looks at this moment to like opportunity की तरह देखे कि 1 मैच मिल रहा है, 2 मैच मिल रहे हैं, 3 मैच मिल रहे हैं, मुझसे जितना हो पाता है उतना मैं कर सकता हूँ, और खेलने के अलावा मुझे एक्सपीरियंस बहुत ज्यादा मिल रहा है क्योंकि डगआउट में इतने एक्सपीरियंस प्लेयर्स है, MSD एज द कैप्टन, स्टीफन फ्लेमिंग एज द कोच, बाकी उनका कोर टीम बहुत अच्छा है जो उसको बहुत कुछ सिखा पाएगा, क्योंकि क्रिकेट ऐसा गेम है कि देखने से भी तुम बहुत कुछ सीख सकते हो। Like if we sit apart from playing the game, you can actually check and analyze like what the bowler is going to bowl, what will be the next delivery. If I was at this place, what would I have done? So ये जो चीजें होंगी, I think that will definitely help Sam Curran in the long run.
It will shape him as a cricketer. It will make him as a better cricketer, I think. Point noted. So, okay then let's call it quits for today. So let's call it a day today. Thank you so much, guys. Shout out to everyone for joining in the video. It was really a great delight to have you all over here and share this discussion with you. So in a couple of days, we'll be uploading this particular video to our YouTube channel. Through the covers, so please go and follow our YouTube channel, guys, and also follow our individual channels, Atharva Gasha and Shine. It's really fun to interact with you, Atharva Gasha. I hope you're safe and take care.
Yes.
Talk soon.
So
Bye-bye.
next episode will be about Kolkata.
Cool. Next episode will be fun because I'm a huge KKR fan, so I'm really looking forward.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
Have a nice day. Bye bye.